Hi there, welcome to the Schwowin's Nest. My name is Sandra, and I'm so glad you're here.
Today's DIY is a little different. I'm doing some spring cleaning in my front closet and I'm organizing with a brand new closet organizer from Costway, who is the sponsor of today's video. Stick with me because I have some exciting news to share. If you're like me and my family, the front foyer is always a dumping ground to drop your coat, your shoes, your keys, whatever you bring with you in the door. But it doesn't have to look this way. It can look nice and organized and neat. And this has been a long time coming. I have had so much junk in my front foyer. It's time for a really good cleanup. And I'd like to thank Costway for partnering with me and for getting me this closet organizer. You're going to love it. This is what my front closet looks like when the door is closed. And isn't it pretty? It's so nice, but look at all the other stuff. When you open the closet door, this is what you find. Just the basic builder rail that they put in. It's not at a good height. There's stuff everywhere. It's really hard to put things underneath and then up top. You can't reach some of the stuff. I did put this IKEA organizer inside just to catch some scarves and hats and mitts and things, but it's just really not working for me. So, of course, the first thing to do is just remove everything out of this space. Then you can see what you're working with and what type of space you have. This is my hubby. He came in to help me and didn't realize he was in the video, so he took off really quick. Anyhow, completely remove everything that you have. I just tossed mine in the living room, and then when it was time to put things back in, that's when I sorted through. That works better for me. But you can do it however you like. You can sort on your way of taking things out, or you can sort before you put them back in.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to click on my video. If you like what you see so far, I'd love it if you could click that red button and subscribe to my channel.
Costway is a wonderful place to get everything home related. Furniture, outdoor, kitchen, you can get small appliances. They have decor, toys and hobbies, all sorts of things. And right now they're having a bunch of sales. But I wanted to let you know that you will be able to use the code that I will provide for you down in the description box to get 15% off the closet organizer that I chose and a site-wide discount code as well. So make sure you head down to that description box and take a look. Let's see which organizer I decided to purchase. And this is the one that I used just because it was configurable the way you want it. This is what I like about these types of closet organizers. You can create whatever system works for you. This is how it works completely set up, but all of the pieces are removable and you can definitely put it in any configuration that works for your organization needs. Costway has offered to give away one of these closet organizers to a lucky viewer, so keep watching to find out how you can enter. This is the closet organizer, and this is how it comes out of the box. You get 2 large shelves, you get 4 smaller shelves, all the brackets you need to put the shelves up. You also get the wall rails, and you get 2 of the hangers that are extendable to fit your needs. I am going to do something a little bit different with this. I'm going to fit it into my front closet. It's not going to be as wide as it can be, but I'm going to make it work because it's perfect. It has all of the pieces that I'm going to need to create a wonderful organized closet. The first thing you need to do is find out where all of your wall studs are because it's really important to make sure that you screw all of this into some studs. If you don't have studs or you can't find them or the configuration is different and you can't use the wall studs for your project, you can definitely use the wall inserts that are included in the package. I decided to just use the wall studs and make things work for me. You'll definitely want to use a level to make sure that you're getting everything straight. And once it is nice and level, I'm just going to mark where I need to put the next screw. You can see I have a pencil in my bun on the back of my head. That's where I tend to keep it. Anyway, I'm just going to go and use my drill and see where the next stud is. If you have a stud finder, you definitely can use that. I usually use my husband, but he was busy at the time. The second rail piece fits really nicely just on top of the first one. So if you need to overlap it like I am, it's really easy to do. You just take the screw and screw both of them together and it stays really secure on your wall. The bracket holders are these vertical pieces and they have a little hook that hooks right up into the top of the rail that we first put on. And then you just mark your spot where your stud is and they have some screw holes and you just go ahead and screw that right into the wall. The brackets are super easy to put in. They have a couple of hooks at the back and you just put it in one of the holes and then push it down into the other ones and they just lock into place. And this is how I'm going to be able to hang the shelf. I took some time to play around with the configuration of how I wanted things to be. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my level and attach the second wall bracket rail to the first one. And it comes with these connectors that are really handy. You can just hook them together and then that will steady everything so you don't have to hang onto it and screw it in at the same time. So I've jumped ahead a little bit and you can see that I have a shelf installed at the bottom and I've just installed some brackets with some hooks on them. These hooks are what is going to hold your closet rods for hanging. The closet rods are extendable, so all you need to do is pop out one of the ends and then pull it apart. What I needed to do was make sure that I had the right length, and as you can see here, this is way too long. So I had to pop it in and then just adjust it. Now I'm grabbing one of my coats and I want to measure to make sure that the rod isn't going to be hanging all of my jackets down onto the floor. And I think I really needed to do that. Yes, it was really low here. So all I did was pop off the bracket and move it up a little bit. Really simple to change the configuration if it's not working for you. Here's the final configuration of my closet. I do have a couple of pieces left over, but that's okay. I know where they're going. I've got the shelf up top doubled up just a little bit. If you have a metal cutter or someone who can cut them down for you, you can definitely shorten them up. That wasn't a problem for me. It's a closet. I'm the only one really who's going to see it. But I love how it looks and it's working really well for us so far. Here's a quick look at how my foyer, this part of it anyway, looked like. Beforehand, I was able to consolidate a lot of the items into the closet and we actually just reorganized and took things away that we didn't need. And it looks so much neater now. This is the other area where my son hung his stuff and his boots and everything are down on the bottom. And this is what it looks like now. This will be a great spot for guests to put their shoes and coat. This is my closet beforehand. What a mess. This was horrible. I hated it. Been wanting to do this forever, and this is what it looks like now. Really nice and tidy. I was able to bring all of my bins of shoes in from the garage where they were on a big shelf. This Costway Closet Organizer gave me at least 4 times more room than I had in my original closet, and I'm so happy how it turned out. Now it's time to get into the giveaway. If you would like to be entered into the giveaway for this closet organizer, go down to the comments and type in, "I want this closet." Once the winner has been selected, I'll post it at the top comments of this video and in my community tab. Good luck to everyone. Thank you again to Costway for sponsoring this video and providing my viewers with a giveaway. I'm so excited and so happy that someone's going to be able to redo their closet with one of these organizers. Thanks so much for watching. If you stayed with me to the end, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything else I have to share. Bye for now.